Alright guys, so today we got about 500 feet of pipe off the end of the boom, and I will be showing you how to water wash that much system. Got the 38 Sani coming off the boom. There's all your pipe. And this is an underwater pour. Put a bunch of spray grease on the hopper for this stuff because it has a waterproofing agent in it, and it's kind of nasty to wash out, so. Look at how nice this stuff comes off with the grease. But yeah, right now we had enough concrete in the pour, and then we pumped the hopper down. Now we're washing the hopper out to get all the rocks and stuff out of there. And then we are going to throw that blue Go Devil in the elbow, and then we'll start pumping water. Got the Go Devil in the elbow, everything's buttoned back up. Now we're just pumping nice and easy, pumping water all the way out. Now we're taking a ball from the end and blowing it back just to get all the sand and crap out of it and to evacuate the water. And that's it. Easy.